Hello crafty friends, it's Toth. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how I created this sparkling Fawn card with Therm web products. I hope you keep watching this video. Have fun together. I am starting the process with ink blending on a Turquoise C Premium Cardstock by Gina K designs. I am using the Blueprint Sketch and Salty Ocean Distress Oxide inks. This is going to be my card base. On the top I will create the sky, and on the bottom I will create the lake Srpske pleso, which is really beautiful and popular in Slovakia. Next I am going to use the Iridescent Glitz Glitter Gel by Gina K designs, which I am applying to my blended cardstock with Deco Stencil pen. I run the stitched mountain dies by Fawn with darker and lighter chambray blue cardstock and the tops from cream cardstock. I decided to add Glitz Glitter Gel to some of the hairs as well, so I used the negative piece from the die cutting as a stencil. When it was done, I let the gel dry for 1 hour. On this card I am going to use mainly dies, so I continue the die cutting process. I run the stitched hillside border dies and the forest border die as well with Jelly Bean Green and Grass Green Premium cardstocks by Gina K designs. I also made a small hot die cut and little trees with the Fawn Shadow Box card add-on dies. When my die cuts were ready, I made a quick ink blending on them with finger daubers as well. This helps to make the card more realistic. On the green cardstock I have used the Mauve Lawn and the Lucky Clover Distress Oxides, and on the hot I have used the Vintage Photo Distress Oxide ink. Now I am going to stamp some images with my Misty, using exclusive ink leather with the Dandy Day and tiny Christmas stamp sets by Fawn. Next I run them with coordinated dies through my die cut machine and made on them a quick coloring. I created the heat embossed sentiment off camera as well. When the coloring was done, I added white highlights to the images and to the die cuts as well. When this process was done, I added my die cuts and images with 3D foam squares to their right places. Some die cuts I added with Ultra Bond and Tape Runner XL adhesives. Once the styling is done, I am adhering the sentiment to its right place, and the card is done. I hope you have enjoyed my project for today. As always, you can find the used supplies below. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Have an amazing day. Bye.